Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to 1 Minute School. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to increase audio volume. So let's go to Google browser and type here audio volume booster MP3 card. Now click on the search button and we can see here audio cutter. It's the top of the search engine. Now click on that and we can see an interface like this. Change volume. Now we should open file. Now we can select here any audio or video format. So I wanna edit a video. I'm gonna click on that. Now click on the open button. Now you can increase it as you want. So I'm gonna boost my volume. So that's it. Now you can select here any format. I want an MP3 format. Now click on that. Now click on the save button. Yep, that's it. Now you can save it. So guys, if you like my videos, please press and hit on the subscribe button. Let's see you in the next videos.